In this intermediate Christmas tap dance lesson tutorial, you'll learn a short combination to the song Let It Snow, performed by Michael Buble. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Make sure you watch the video all the way through so you can get my free essential guide to learning tap dance from a video. It's exactly what you're doing right now, learning on video. It makes it easier and a whole lot more fun, and it's completely free. I'll also tell teachers how to get your free guide on getting your students interested and excited about tap dance and keeping them excited, because it's a whole lot easier to teach when the kids want to be there. All right, let's jump in, shall we? Starting with the left foot, we're going to do step, spank, heel, toe, flap, heel, heel, stamp, flap, heel, heel, stamp, Irish. And on that flap, heel, heel, stamp, that's my left heel dropping first. I'm going to do this again from the top. Ready, go. Step, spank, heel, toe, flap, heel, heel, stamp, flap, heel, heel, stamp, Irish, right foot. Beautiful. We'll speed it up a little bit and put some counts on it. 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 5 and a 6, a 7, a 8, even faster. 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 5 and a 6, a 7, a 8. Then we're going to repeat all of that except for the Irish. So let's do the repeat. 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 5 and a 6. Now instead of the Irish, we're just going to stamp out on that right foot. You might notice me doing some arms throughout this combination. You're not expected to do those. I just do them because it's fun. So if you want to do the arms with me, go ahead, but don't feel like you need to. So let's do that second round that has the stamp at the end instead of the Irish. 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 5 and a 6, and that's going to be on the and count. Beautiful. Let's connect it all from the top. 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 5 and a 6, a 7, a 8, 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 5 and a 6, and yeah, let's hit that one more time. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 5 and a 6, a 7, a 8, 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 5 and a 6, and from here, left foot's free. Step, draw all back, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, draw all back, heel, step, heel, step. Of course, I'm going to show that again. Starting with my left foot, ready, go. Step, draw all back, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, draw all back, heel, step, heel, step. You'll notice my feet are grapevining. The right foot crosses in back, and then it crosses in front, then it crosses in back, and then it crosses in front. I'm going to do it again, put some counts on it. 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5 and a 6, a 7, a 8. Let's connect that from the top. 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 5 and a 6, a 7, a 8. 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 5 and a 6, and 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5 and a 6, a 7, a 8. Let's finish out this first half. Left foot, double buffalo, step, step, stamp, stamp, step, stomp, stomp, stamp. I'll do that again. 6, 7, 8, double buffalo, step, step, stamp, stamp, step, stomp, stomp, stamp. I'll put some counts on it. 6, ready, go. A 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, and. Super! Let's connect it now from the top. 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 5 and a 6, a 7, a 8. 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 5 and a 6, and 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5 and a 6, a 7, a 8. A 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, and. Super, let's hit that one more time. Hopefully it's going well for you. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 5 and a 6, a 7, a 8. 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 5 and a 6, and 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5 and a 6, a 7, 8. A 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, and. Beautiful, my friends. Let's give this a shot with music. Before we do, if you're having a good time, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And drop a comment down below. Literally anything you write is helpful to us. I'll give you a second to do that right now. Awesome. Thank you so much. While you're down there, go ahead and click on the link to the free guide for learning tap dance off of video. I've got lots of tips and tricks that make it easier and more effective and just result in you having more fun. Right, so that's really helpful. That's totally free. You can click on that down below. Also, teachers, I've got the free guide for you on getting your kids excited about tap and keeping them excited about tap. So teaching's a lot more fun, right? When the kids want to be there, it's way more fun than they're like, right? So you can get that free guide down below as well. So we're going to be running this with music. It's designed to go to the song Let It Snow, the 10th anniversary edition, performed by Michael Buble, and we're coming in at 57 seconds into the song. We're going to be doing the first half of the combination. If you want to learn the second half of the combination, there's also a link down below clicking that will get you to a page where you can learn the rest of it. It's all absolutely free, no cost whatsoever. So you can learn the rest of it and have a great time. But let's do what we know so far with some music. I'm going to start about 5% under tempo, and then we'll work our way up to real speed.
All the way home I'll be warm.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Now the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs to stop it.
Beautiful! Hopefully that gives you a feel for it. It's a lot more fun with music, of course. Let's roll that all again. From the top, you got a second shot at it. Still keeping that 5% under tempo speed. Rolling.
All the way home I'll be warm.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Now the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs to stop it.
Beautiful, my friends. All right, let's boost it to real speed. I think you're ready for it. I think you can do it. Here we go, my friends. Real deal. Have fun.
All the way home I'll be warm.
5, 6, 7,
Now
8.
the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs to stop it.
Super, my friends. Beautiful. Let's roll that all again. Here we go. Feel free to add the arms if you're getting the feet down real well.
All the way home I'll be warm.
5, 6, 7,
Now
8.
the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs to stop it.
Super, my friends. Let's hit it one more time with music. I'm having fun. I hope you're having some fun too. Here we go. Last time. Make it your best.
All the way home I'll be warm.
5, 6, 7,
Now
8.
the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs to stop it.
Beautiful, my friends. I'm going to roll it one more time facing you. You're not expected to do it with me. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front. And I'll be doing the entire combination. Again, if you want to learn the rest of it, there's a link down below. Click on that and you can learn the rest and have some more fun with this. All right, let's see how it goes.
All the way home I'll be warm. Now the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs to stop it. And I've got some corn to pop it. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
All right, beautiful, my friends. Thank you so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time learning that. If you did, hop on over to unitedtaps.com. We have a ton of great content. If you have that friend who's always been saying, you know, I always wanted to learn tap dance, we have a great beginner lesson series that starts people from exactly ground zero, not knowing anything about tap whatsoever. And we build up their skills. And in fact, if they took our advanced beginner lesson series as well, they'd be able to do a combination just like this. And then maybe you'd have a tap buddy. That'd be kind of cool, huh? So you can check that out at unitedtaps.com, or maybe you would like some tap dance videos, so you can nudge that special someone and say, hey, I think I'd like some of those tap dance videos over at unitedtaps.com. We've got lesson series. Those are huge. We've got across the floor combinations, practice exercise combinations, tap dictionary, choreography, workouts, because remember the new year's coming, right? Got to get in shape, right? Tap's a fun way to do that. We've got workouts, we've got music, just about anything related to tap. We have it at unitedtaps.com, so be sure to check that out. Again, thank you for watching. I, of course, am Rod Howe from unitedtaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.